Okay, we have a word problem. Karen, who weighs 6 kilograms, just received her shots and needs a painkiller. The painkiller is prescribed for children at 10 milligrams for every 1 kilogram of the child's weight. How many milligrams will the doctor prescribe? Yeah. So how do they decide these kind of things? Or how do you as a parent, if you read the bottle for the aspirin, the acetaminophen or something like that, and it says 10 milligrams for every 1 kilogram of the child's weight. Well, this is basically a ratio. So let's do it. So 10 milligrams. So it's 10. All right. So here, I'll change it. So 10 milligrams of the I'll just say of the drug, the painkiller, I'll put it over for every 1 kilogram of the weight of the child. Right? That's what they're saying right here. 10 milligrams of the painkiller for every, that means like a ratio, for every 1 kilogram of weight. That's going to be equal to the child. Now, what does the child weigh? On the other side, the child weighs 6 kilograms. So I'll put 6 kilograms weight. That's what the child, Karen, actually weighs. And then what's going to go on the top is our X, what we're trying to find, milligrams of the drug. Does that make sense? Still, I have milligrams of the drug on the top for both and the weight of the child on the bottom for both. Those two fractions have to be equal, right? Because it's 10 milligrams of the drug for every 1 kilogram of weight. That's going to be how many milligrams of the drug for Karen, who weighs 6 kilograms. So I have to solve that proportion, the two equal fractions, and therefore solve for X. Well, how do you solve two equal fractions? Diagonal, huh? Right? You cross multiply. So it's going to be 6 times 10, right? This 10 and this 6 multiply equals, and the 1 and the X multiply. 1 times X. And so that means 1 times X is just X. 6 times 10 is just 60. We're done. X is 60, meaning this right here, X is 60 milligrams of the drug, 60 milligrams of the painkiller. So there we go. That's how you figure out a medical ratio kind of situation. This is what nurses do and doctors do when they administer, if you're going to go into nursing or something. This is the kind of, or become a doctor. This is the kind of calculation you need when you're administering drugs, because it'll say how many milligrams for every kilogram of weight, and then take the child's weight, set up the two equal fractions, cross multiply, and you can find out little Karen is going to need 60 milligrams of the drug. And that makes sense, doesn't it? Because she weighs 6 kilograms, and you give 10 milligrams for every 1 kilogram of weight. So you multiply this by 10. So she weighs 6 kilograms times 10, she needs 60 milligrams of the drug. That makes sense. So there we go.